Hey guys, let's play tag. I'm
Wait. What the heck is that?
Dude, you want to merge together and make new planets? Ew, I don't want to know your weird fantasies.
It means that you almost crashed into it, which would have destroyed both of you, and after a few million years, new planets would have formed.
Oh, so let me get this straight. If I crash against one of you, it's almost like when my Earthlings make babies? Dude,
What is
not
the
at
matter
all.
with you, weirdo? I'd say it's more like a phoenix. You die, and then new life will blossom in your ashes.
Yeah, nice metaphor, Venus. You're quite a poet.
Shut up.
This all sounds too weird. Do you have any proof that two planets have collided in the past to form new planets? Well, sorry to blow your inner core, but where do you think you and the moon came from?